Lab Advanced contains two types of interaction. Which type you can use will depend on your project. If you are using a fixed layout project, you will have the option of using fixed layout interactions, as well as responsive interactions. We don't allow fixed layout interactions within responsive projects, because they are only designed to be used within a specific sized area that requires a larger screen. Adding an interaction is simple. Choose Interaction from the left menu, then drag and drop. Interactions will come pre-populated with some information and images, to give you an idea of how they will display. Once added, you can see how the interaction works. To make changes, click the pencil icon from the Content toolbar. All of the interactions share the same standard features. Click anywhere on the text to see the text editor. Click the Change Styles button to swap between the different style modes. Interactions will use your default project colors when you first add them. Right-click on different parts to show the color picker and change colors. You can use the Reset Styles button to go back to default. If an interaction has extra functionality, buttons will display within the toolbar. For example, you can click these buttons to add additional flip cards, rotate them, or add images. If adding images is an option, clicking this button will show the image manager. You can drag and drop images into the interaction. Areas will highlight in orange to indicate where they can be placed. For further information about interactions, check out our separate videos on each one.